Okay, so very good evening, everyone, on this our online show and online platform. Let's talk in English with non-native English speakers. And now we are learning something new. We are practicing new structures, and by learning the structures, we are making our language stronger. Okay, so shall we start now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in the first session, just we were discussing about this one, about to. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this one. We were about to organize KBC 50 on 10th May 2020, means 2020, but we couldn't organize because of COVID-19. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You can also see a date. Actually, this program was organized by me, and many times I have told you, I think I have made one video with one native English speakers also for KBC only. And if you go on my Facebook account, then I have made some videos about that. It was a really very big program. Ashok Maurya. I organized this program for especially the clever students of my community. And the donation was also from me. I just decided to spend 4 to 5 lakh rupees for my community this year. But because of COVID-19, I was not able to organize. So we were about to organize KBC 50. Means Kaun Banega Karodpati, Kaun Banega Champion. Okay, the name of our program was Kaun Banega Champion. And 3 people were able to win the 50,000 rupees. And we had a same program like Kaun Banega Karodpati. But I don't have crore rupees, so I had a small amount. So I decided to give 50,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees and 50,000 rupees for people. It's clear?
Whatever you're doing is just matter.
Yeah. And along
Excellent,
with this, we have also organized some different cultural activities like dance, storytelling, then what I forgot nowadays, best handwriting, Hindi and English both, slok gan competition. Okay. And we had 3 different sections, under 14 and above 14. So we had 2 age groups. But because of COVID-19, I was not able to organize that program. Is it clear?
Yes, you are great inspiration for us.
Yeah. So
Yes.
I want to use my money for other people. That's why I organize this whole thing. And I spent my 4 months. I spent my 4 months.
That's a great job, sir.
Okay.
That's a great job, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
That's why we
Yes, sir.
appreciate always.
Do it.
Okay, so that is clear. So we were about to organize KBC 50 on 10th May 2020, but we couldn't because of COVID-19. So yesterday we studied this structure, and now we are going to learn new structure by using be about to. It is little bit different. Be able to amizar means I am going to do something soon, very soon. Means I am going to do something in the near future.
Yes, sir.
That is probably the next thing that I am going to do. So something is going to happen. What is the function of amizar? About to? Something is about to happen. Come fast, the bus is about to leave. Come fast, the bus is about to leave. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, come on, hurry up. The movie is about to start. And I don't want to miss a single minute, single scene. So the movie is about to start. Come on, fast.
Yes, yes, we are coming.
Yes.
Okay, Rajkumar Jaiswal, I cannot give you chance to speak today because our class is about to end.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now this is your turn to make sentences by using this structure. This is a new structure for today.
Yes.
Emmys are about to. Something is about to happen.
All of you, please join the session. It's about to start.
Yeah, perfect, perfect.
Yes. Sir, may I?
Yeah, start.
Sir, please switch off your mobile. Plane is about to take off.
Yeah, perfect, perfect. Akbar Alam.
Super.
No.
Eh?
No, Nityanand, sir. Nityanand Burman.
Oh,
Nityanand, sir.
Nityanand
Nityanand
Barman.
Burman, sir.
Oh, great. Wonderful, wonderful.
Big round of applause for him.
Excellent, excellent. Now anybody else?
Program is
May I
about
say?
Sir, may I, sir?
Yeah, Nageshwar Rao.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is about what we are going to do very soon. For example, I'm about to go. Means I go now. Yes, I go now. And
I'm on the way.
that is the thing.
I'm on the way, means I'm
Yes,
coming.
yes.
Yeah, that's
sir.
good.
Uh,
That's good.
Need to miss this.
Yeah,
we are-
Zoom user.
We are
Zoom
about to
user.
learn.
This
Yeah.
class.
Zoom user.
Yes, sir. May I say?
Yeah.
Please hurry up. The train is about to leave.
Yeah, perfect. So is Shazim is speaking. I'm asking this question to Zoom
Yes,
user.
sir.
Zoom user. Who is Zoom user?
I'm sorry.
What's your name? It must be your name. It mustn't be your name, Zoom user. You must have different name.
No need to miss this class because
We are about to know
need
you,
to learn
who you are.
some
Hello.
not getting.
Yes, sir.
You both are speaking together. Zoom user. Both are using same. How is it possible?
No, sir.
Actually,
Okay, let it go. Then Zoom user, you are not replying us.
May I, sir?
Yeah, Ruchi. Ruchi is very excited today.
Need
Sir, yes, sir.
learn.
He is about to propose his girlfriend.
Ah.
We don't need to miss this
I'm
class
about to-
because we need to learn.
I am about to
We
make a
need to learn
sentence.
about.
Okay, very nice, very nice.
Yes.
We are about to cook dinner.
Yeah. Perfect, perfect.
About
Thank you, sir.
from
The
So,
Zoom user
from
is
which
murmuring
district are you
something.
from? Which district are you from? Ruchi,
we don't
Sir,
need
I
to
am
miss
from
this class
Jaipur.
because we need to
Jaipur.
learn
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's
wonderful
good.
place.
about.
Okay, so anybody, Alok Jaina, would you like to make a sentence?
I am about to go to hometown.
Yeah.
Yes,
So no problem to understand the structure?
No, sir, I want to make an.
Yeah. Shanta madam.
Okay, sir. About to with am is or is to use this structure is subject plus am is or about to plus verb 1 and objective, sir. But it is used to very soon actions.
Yes.
But going to is used for not very soon, planned and decided next implementation, sir.
That's good. This is the
So
difference.
now,
Very nice.
now I want to give you some examples. Hold the baby. He is about to cry. I am about to puke. I am
Okay.
about to ask you the same question.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, everything is it.
Yes, sir. I have a sentence. Sir.
Yeah, start speaking, okay? If you have sentence, then start.
Sir, please let's leave the Zoom meeting because because temperature of mobile about to 40 above the 45 degree.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Over?
Sir,
May I?
that is okay.
Yeah, shall we start new one?
May I?
Okay, okay. One by one, you can make sentence. Then just I'm trying to choose, and I'm about to start a new structure,
Yes.
new topic. Okay.
Okay.
Can you say few?
Hello. Yeah, start speaking if you
Yes,
are ready.
sir.
Then
I am about to
Yes.
start my bike. Milan is about to go out from home house. Okay, I am about to take my medicine.
hmm.
Okay, I am about to
Okay. So that's all. So now you can see
Sir,
on
may
your
I?
New topic
screen.
about
You
to
can see
come.
something on your screen. Can you see on your screen something relationships?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir, we can see.
So let's learn about relationship today. Okay, here is the Anita and Lucy. Are you and Whole best friends? Oh, she's a good friend. She's not my best friend, but she's more than just a casual acquaintance, right? Oh, yes, we were housemates at university. Really? So how did you first meet her? I met her through my ex, Colin. He wasn't in a steady relationship with anyone at the time, and she was looking for someone to share a room. Oh, is that Colum, who is now Olivia's partner? Yeah, that's the one. They are not just partners, they are married and they are colleagues too. They are saving to buy a house now, so Column's living with her parents-in-law at the moment. Got it? So these are the word, very simple word. Best friends and a good friend, very simple words. But let's know about the acquaintance. Acquaintance means just you know that person. You're not friend, but you know that person. For example, in your college,
Relative.
not relative, not relate. Acquaintance means just you know that person. For example, there are 500 students in your college, so all are not your friend. You know only the yes, he is the student of my college. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Only hi
Look at
bye
the,
friends
I have a
like.
bike, sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah, look
Yes.
at the a person
I
you
have a
have
bike.
met, but you don't know well about him. So first, the definition of this word, the first meaning of the word is a person you have met, but you don't know well. You know, but you don't know well about him. Is it clear?
Yes.
Then second one is
Yes,
mate. Okay, roommate. Used to compound nouns with, describe a person you share something with. Classmate, roommate, workmate, flatmate, housemate. So it's very simple. Workmate. Workmate is common in non-professional, informal context, and colleague is common word. Yes or no? If you work together,
Yes, sir.
then
Yes, sir.
yes.
Equally.
yeah. So colleague is a common among professional people. Next one is, what is the next word? TD, colleagues is okay now. So
Yes.
steady, yes, steady. Do you have a steady job now? I don't need to find a new job because I have a steady job. But here is a relationship, that's why we have to use different word. So what's the meaning of steady? Fourth one.
Constant.
Fixed and not changing suddenly.
Yeah.
Satisfied job.
Fixed and not No. Steady means permanent.
Yeah, permanent, fixed, not changing stars suddenly. Okay, in
Yes,
India,
yes.
our relationship is steady, okay, but in America, in Britain, they don't have steady relationship.
Solid.
They always change their mates, partners, that's why. But in India, we have steady relationship. Got married,
You may say perseverance.
so fixed, not changing suddenly. Got it?
Yes.
And that's good. That's good for, this is our culture. That's
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next one is parents-in-law. Partner, sorry, partner. Partner is used for someone you live with but are not married. So live-in relationship. When you are in the live-in relationship, and in the business also you have partner relationship, partnership, business partner.
Yes.
So where you share the ownership or running of a company. Okay, so you can understand very well. And parents-in-law means his wife's parents. So my parents-in-law live in Rajasthan. They live in Udaipur. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, let's know about internet relationship. Rajkumar, are you ready to learn internet relationship?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so look at here. If you join a social network, you can acquire friends. So people you share personal information with and build up your list of contacts. Okay. You can invite people to become your friends, and you can choose to accept new friends who invite you. You can interact with your friends by exchanging messages or posting comments on their page. You can also share photos and tag your friends. If you want to finish a relationship, you can unfriend and defriend that person. So this is called the internet relationship. Okay.
Okay.
So have you got some new words?
Yes, sir. We have got many new words.
Or all are familiar words? Nothing is new from this.
Everything new for us, sir.
Yeah.
Sequence is new.
Please.
Okay. So now that's all for our learning, and now this is a time of conversation. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I would like to start with Nityanand. Hello, Nityanand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you a student? Are you a student or are you working somewhere else?
Yes, sir.
Else?
No, sir. I am a student, but I done my graduation, and now I am studying for government job.
That's what.
And
Okay. What
I
have you
have done
studied?
my, sir, syllabus, sir, according to syllabus.
But you know, what have you studied? Means with which subject you have completed your graduation?
Oh, yes, sir. Geography, sir.
Okay, so you are the art student.
Geography, sir.
Okay, that's good.
Yes, sir.
And you want to get a good job, government job.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
And I
that's
have
good.
done my. Oh, okay.
So, how many hours do you prepare for this exam?
Sir,
How much
4
time do
to
you
5
spend?
hours daily.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 4 to
So
5
I
hours
want to ask
daily.
this question to Ashok Maurya. Is it sufficient time, 4 to 5 hours to get a government job now? Because the competition is too tough.
Yes, it is sufficient, but the time you are giving to while studying, you dedicate with proper concentration. It is sufficient, sir, but more concentration is needed.
Okay.
5 hours is sufficient.
And Nityanand, one last
Also
question for
catching
you.
power.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
one more question I want to ask you. Okay, you like to
Yes,
study,
sir.
but what are other your hobbies? How do you spend your leisure time, spare time?
I read book
for sir, my hobby is speaking English, and third hobby is sir Tamil language. I want to learn Tamil
Oh,
language.
really? That's wonderful. You are Bengali person and you want to learn Tamil language. Why? May I know the reason why you want to learn Tamil language?
Sir, because I could not understand their while they are speaking, and I also I seen many South movie and they are dubbed in Hindi, but
Yeah.
I want to take their actual conversation.
Ah, that's why. No, so he's interested in Tamil movie. That's why he's
And
learning Tamil language. Good, wonderful. Okay,
I
so
hope,
now I would like
I
to
hope
come
he
to
is a good fan of.
Rajnikant.
He is a good fan of Tamil movies, sir. That's why he is
Hmm.
learning Tamil.
Yeah. So
I
now I would like
observed that.
to.
I observed that one in Bangladesh and in Bengal, sir. So many
Oh,
people are watching Tamil movies.
oh,
And
great.
Santa ma'am, I would like to add some points. Actually, that is also one reason. But main factor is employment. If you are seeing in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry area, maximum Bengali people they are serving there. One of the main reason is Northeast and West Bengal people they are doing job in Tamil Nadu. That's why they are preparing to learn Tamil language.
That's
And
why.
also one more thing is I observed is they are visiting Shankar Eye Hospital very much. They are visiting, sir, because in Bengal health issues are very expensive. That's why they are
I think that
going
hospital
to
is
Chennai.
in Katpatti. Katpatti.
Okay, that's good.
Katpadu.
That's good. So now I would like to go to Akbar Alam. Hello, Akbar Alam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have been coming to this platform for many days, but you don't get enough chance to speak. You don't get enough time to speak. So I want to know about your work. What do you do?
Sir, at the time I have completed graduation from economics for economics honors, and now I want to I want to get a MBA in upcoming days. I will be complete at coming days.
Okay, and where are you
Sir,
from?
do you have any question?
Yeah, where are you from, Akbar Alam?
Sir,
got disconnected.
Disconnected.
Yeah, I'm back. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I'm
Yes,
ready.
Akbar Alam.
Ask me.
Where are you from?
Sir, I am from Bihar, but since 10 years I am in Delhi.
Okay, so for 10 years you are in Delhi, okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
And you can
10
say
years.
since 2011 or 2010, I have been living in
Okay, sir.
Delhi.
Yeah. Yes. I understood. What is the difference between since and for? I know.
Yeah, it happens sometimes. We know, but sometimes we make
Yes.
mistakes. Yeah.
Yes, sir. When the times come for my term, when the times come for speaking, that at that time I forget which word is suitable.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So now let's go to Papia, Tripura.
Yes, sir.
So do you have any question more?
Yeah, it's enough for today, okay? Because I want to cover more speakers, that's why.
Okay.
Okay, so now you are not acquaintance, okay? You are way more familiar now. So people know you are from Bihar, now you are living in Delhi, you want to do your MBA, okay? Yeah, Papia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have already completed your graduation with
Yes, sir.
biology?
Yes, sir. With biology, BSc. I have completed BSc.
Okay, and what's your future plan now?
Sir, now I took admission for B.Ed. I think in the next month I will it will start classes, then I will join
B.Ed. Then you would be a teacher. Hello, Papia. Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. So you
Yes,
want
sir.
to
So
be a teacher?
yes. So I want to be a teacher. So I took admission for B.Ed, and I think due to lockdown situation, the classes is not started. So I think in the next month it will be start. So I will I took admission for B.Ed. So
Okay.
after that I will do masters. That is my plan.
That's good. Wonderful. Okay. Now, then you don't have any school, you don't have any college, you don't have any homework. Then how do you spend your day?
Actually, I am trying to improve my basic knowledge about everything, like GK and history, everything I want to cover, because I completed BSc, not masters. So I have to teach the students who are. I have to teach all the subjects. I think if I will be a teacher. So I am trying to gather knowledge on everything. So that's why I'm trying to improve myself nowadays.
Okay, that's good. And one question I want to say, if you got a chance, okay, it is imaginary question. If you got a chance to visit,
yes, sir.
In only one state of India, then which state would you like to visit?
I have never thought about that, so I will took some time.
You are you are very good at negotiate, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I would like to go. Yes, sir. I would like to go Kanyakumari.
That's good. Okay. So she has a great sense of humor. What I have observed, actually, that's why I asked this question. I wanted to know her sense of humor. I know that. Good. Very good. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Papia, you can ask 2 questions to anybody now.
Yeah. So, okay.
You can choose the speaker and you
Okay.
can choose your questions.
Okay. I would like to question Shanta ma'am. First of all, ma'am, you are looking today very gorgeous, and I want to.
Happy birthday,
Yes.
No,
Ma'am
sir.
is.
Today, my birthday is in May, sir, on 29th. It was over.
Already it's been completed.
Legends
Yeah,
are born in
Papia.
May.
Yeah, we have 10 minutes left.
Ma'am, So, ma'am, I wanted to ask that in that age you are trying to learn English. So, what is the reason behind that?
Okay, I am an English teacher, so I have to know so much of grammar and vocabulary to teach my children. And one more thing is, till now we are teaching to the Telugu medium students to English, Telugu medium students to English. But now our government is changed the medium of instruction. They are introduced English as a medium of instruction in our schools. So we have to learn more English, more and more, especially spoken skills.
Okay, so and my second question is, if you face any problem during the classes of in case of speaking English, in I think I want to ask that if you faced any problem while you have spoken to your students with English in your classes.
No, I never faced any problem with them, because they don't know the language properly, and they use especially their mother tongue. they are very interested to use their mother tongue. Only they think English is a subject they have to pass in that. That's why I didn't face any problem with them.
Okay, thank
That's
you,
good.
madam.
Wonderful,
Thank
wonderful.
you very
Now,
much.
Kalpana madam, this is your turn to ask 2 questions to anybody. Turn on your audio, madam.
Sorry. I would like to ask Raj Kumar.
Yes. Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. What are you doing?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Actually, I'm teaching in engineering college as an assistant professor in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
And where are you from?
Actually, my native place is Uttar Pradesh, but because of we have home in Kolkata, then during the lockdown time, I'm spending my time in Kolkata.
Very nice. Thank you.
That's good. Okay, so now Pankaj
Thank you.
Udaipur. Then Nageshwar be ready to ask 2 questions to anybody. Now Pankaj Udaipur can ask 2 questions to anybody. He has also the good sense of humor, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir. My question is to Nageshwar, sir. First of all, I want to say that I am very impressed by Nageshwar, sir, because you are a government teacher and you are very cool and calm and down to earth. So, sir, my question to you, why you choose teaching field, sir?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Some teachers are my inspiration. When I was in my school, I just observed them, how they enjoy with the children. I remember I was studying in 5th class, one teacher is there, Mr. Christopher. He is always very happy and he just talk with us very friendly. Then I decided, oh, teaching job is very nice. We can enjoy and it's a wonderful field. We can inspiration to many people. So that's why I choose teaching job. I'm very much
Okay.
interested.
Okay. Sir, one more question to you. Be frank. Which is good job, government job or private job, and why?
Yeah, good question. That's a good question. But actually, I prefer government job because there is a security in the government job. Sometimes, if we don't have the security
Sir,
on private
except
job.
security, any point you have except security of job?
So I think private job is also very good. I prefer some another entrepreneurship is very helpful to us to grow in our life, to live and better. Just that thing, because we have knowledge and capability. Sometimes we don't put interest and we don't do those things. So we have to change our minds and so okay, we think big. So that is a very good thing. Then government job. That is
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so Nageshwar Rao, you have already got a chance. That's why I want to go to one more person. Okay, I'm really sorry for that.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
one person has not got chance. Bhagyashree Satpade, like that. Okay. So, Subhasree, can you ask some questions to Bhagyashree?
Yes, sir. Hello, Bhagyashree.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Hello. I'm fine.
Hello.
Hello. Am I audible?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible. Yes, you are audible. Where are you
Yes.
from?
I'm from Solapur, but I'm living in Pune.
Acha, Solapur in Maharashtra, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh, what do you do there?
No, I am. Sorry.
What do you do there?
I live in with my family.
You are a homemaker.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Subhasri, you can ask some more questions to her because you said you have asked only what is her name and like where she is from. Know about her?
And okay, it's Bhagyasri, I would like to ask one more question. Why you are here? Why you join this
Actually,
platform?
I done BSc B.Ed, so I want to a good teacher. That's why.
Okay, you done B.Ed.
Yeah, BSc B.Ed.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. Now, Rachna Goswami, you have a chance to ask some questions.
Okay, sir. So I want to ask a question to Ashok Maurya. Sir,
Yeah.
hello. So first I want to say that when your first day on that platform, you are a little bit nervous, but now I can see you are very perfect and you are, I mean, yeah, you are very perfect in English and so I want to ask.
No. At this time also, I'm not perfect. I'm learning yet.
Yeah, still. So my question, what do you do?
Yeah,
I don't know.
I'm preparing for UPSC Civil Services examination.
So how do you do prepare yourself for this?
I joined coaching in Delhi, but at this time, due to lockdown, all coachings are shut down. So I'm at home in Uttar Pradesh district library.
Okay. Thank you.
So we have only 1 minute left, and really personally I enjoyed a lot, and thank you very much for joining this platform. And now we are really family. We share our ideas, our feelings, our information, our knowledge, and by sharing this we are becoming knowledgeable, we are getting more confidence, we are getting better and better, we are coming closer and closer. So have a nice weekend, because Saturday Sunday we don't have any class. So enjoy your Saturday Sunday. See you again on Monday with new ideas, with new information, and with new enthusiasm.
You also, sir.
Thank you, sir. Happy weekend, sir.
Same to you, sir. Same to you, and good night,
Yeah.
sir.
So have a nice
Happy
weekend.
weekend, sir.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, all of you, my
Good
dear
night,
friends.
Good night, all of you.
Good night, all of you.